Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. In the first part, the video that I have already uploaded the previous week was me making this easel and painting it with the blue turquoise oil color. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just paint the side of the two, which you can see the brown color. So I'm going to paint these two, and we're going to continue with that part of the video, because in that video I already said that I'm going to continue with the second part of the video the next week. So here I am again back with the second part of this video. So if you really enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload more such exciting video, you'll be getting notified about it. And also guys, now I'm gonna use the two colors, the red and the blue. So there would be a little bit some sort of a wood painting, because earlier I just painted the wood with only the blue color. That was my first time painting the wood with the blue color. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just paint the two other parts with the red and the blue oil color. So that would be my second time painting this wood with the oil colors. The first time I made that video, it has shown you that I have first time painting the wood with the oil colors. So this is my second time, so I'm going to use the red and blue color for these two areas. So now let's get started with that. Now guys, in the first part I have used the red blue color. Now I'm going to use the red and blue color, and we're going to mix it, and we're going to make another painting with that. That's the wood painting, the second part of the first video. So now let me take the colors and mix it. So guys, you can see I have applied the first layer of the blue color. Now I'm gonna just make it a little bit more dark. Then we're going to proceed with that area, and then I'm gonna mix the red color, and we'll see what sort of painting I would be making on this wood. So now let's get started with that part of things. I'm just gonna apply the second layer, and then we will going to proceed over to that layer. So I have mixed the second layer. Now I'm gonna add the second layer to that painting. The second layer is too dark, guys. I intentionally keep it too dark so that it would look more dark and won't be visible from the downside. So I kept it too dark, and yeah. So here I am just painting it on the second layer. And guys, while using the oil colors, please be careful with that, because oil colors, the things that we are using in the oil colors to mix and to make it one, the stuffs are flammable. So be careful while using the oil colors, and just use it in the well aerated area so that you can easily dispose of the brushes and all the waste stuffs that's coming from the oil colors, because the things that we are using in the oil color is flammable. So keep that thing in mind before even actually using it. So I think it's dark, a little bit needs to be over this area as well. So I'm just gonna go into that area too and just darken it a bit. Now guys, I'm going to apply over this second layer, again the blue turquoise only, and I have mixed over here, so I'm gonna apply the same thing. So now let's get started with this part. And the first layer is too dark. I just picked the too darker layer, although I can take a lighter one, but I just picked the darker one. It's really amazing, guys. to paint with the wood, and it's really fun trying the wood painting. Obviously guys, if you are interested in making a wood painting, then I would say go for it, because it's really fun trying something new out of your comfort zone which you haven't tried it before, and it's really fun and really amazing. So I'm gonna just finish it up. Now guys, I'm gonna use another color, that's the red color, because you can see I've already used the blue color. So I'm gonna use the red color and actually make the wood painting on this easel, and then I'm gonna left it almost like 15 days or maybe a week to dry it completely, and then I'm gonna show you maybe in the next video making some sort of artwork on this, or some sort of canvas painting on this type easel. So that's what I'm gonna proceed with that, because it would going to take maybe like 15 days to get dried it completely. So I'm gonna use the red color and would make a wood type of painting on this easel type of material, and then maybe in the next week I'm gonna pick up a canvas or maybe a paper and just put it over there, and then just going to shoot a video about painting and on this easel and all about it. So I'm just gonna go and finish it with the red color, and we're going to make a wood painting with the red and blue color. So let's get started with that part of the video. Crimson lake type of colors guys. Now I'm gonna add in this the spirit, the filler, and we'll proceed with the other part of the painting. this is the end result of the easel with painted with the oil colors, turquoise blue and the crimson lake, and this is the end result. So let's see, it's looking so awesome. Like the waistwood has been converted into an easel with the painted with the oil colors, so it's the sort of a wood painting and all that. So I hope you enjoyed these two series of me painting with the wood and also making the easel from the waistwood that I already had in my garage in my craft. So I made that not ideal easel but just kind of an easel from that waistwood and just painted it using the oil colors and all that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload more such videos, we get notified about it. And see you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.